Hey there, mind detectives. Welcome back to the channel where we crack the code of human behavior. Today's case file, the age-old mystery. Why does ignoring someone sometimes make them want you more? Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the psychology of attraction and the curious game of the chase. Let's face it, we've all heard the advice, play hard to get. But is there any truth to it? Well, science actually says yes. Kind of. Here's the deal. Humans are wired to desire things that seem just out of reach. It's the forbidden fruit effect. When you're not readily available, it creates a sense of mystery. This mystery triggers curiosity in the other person. They start wondering, why aren't they responding right away? What are they up to? But it's not just about creating a little distance. There's a whole psychological dance at play here. Remember that dopamine rush you get when you finally achieve a goal? It turns out that same reward system gets activated when someone we're interested in shows us a little attention. Now, if that attention is readily available, that dopamine rush might become less intense. But when it's a bit unpredictable, those little moments of connection become more rewarding, keeping the other person wanting more. Think of it like a detective story. The protagonist is on a quest, facing challenges and uncovering clues along the way. If the solution is handed to them on a silver platter, there's no sense of accomplishment. But if they have to work for it, piece together the puzzle, the satisfaction at the end is much greater. The same goes for attraction. When someone has to invest a little effort, put in the time and thought to get to know you, it deepens the connection and makes them value you more. It's like unearthing a hidden gem. The effort adds to the perceived worth. Here's another key factor: the investment theory. Basically, the more effort someone puts into getting something, the more they value it. So when you create a dynamic where you're slightly elusive, it encourages the other person to invest more in pursuing you. They put in the effort of sending that thoughtful text, planning a special date, opening up emotionally. This investment deepens their connection to you. It shows them that you're worth the effort, that there's something special to discover. Imagine the difference between someone readily giving you a bouquet of flowers and someone who spent time searching for your favorite rare bloom. The latter holds more meaning because of the effort involved. But remember, mind detectives, there's a fine line between intrigue and indifference. Ignoring someone completely or being rude is a major turnoff. The goal is to be slightly unavailable, not uninterested. Think of it like a busy schedule that reflects a fulfilling life. Pursue your hobbies, hang out with friends. Show them you're an interesting, well-rounded person with passions that extend beyond potential relationships. This not only makes you more attractive, but it also demonstrates that your time is valuable. And once you see their genuine effort, reciprocate. Show you're interested too. It's all about creating a healthy balance. Don't let the chase become an endless game. When you see a spark, nurture it. Remember, genuine connection thrives on mutual interest and investment. A one-sided chase can be exhausting and ultimately lead to disinterest. The key takeaway is to understand the psychology behind the chase and use it to create a dynamic of intrigue and healthy investment, not manipulation. So the next time you hear the advice to play hard to get, remember, it's not about mind games. It's about understanding the science of attraction and creating a healthy dynamic of intrigue and investment. Thanks for joining the investigation, mind detectives. Until next time, stay curious, stay skeptical, and keep using your detective skills to navigate the wonderful world of human behavior.